The holy town of Puri reverberated with devotion as the Bahuda Yatra commenced. Lord Balbhadra's Taladhwaja chariot rolled first amid chants of Jai Jagannath. Lakhs of devotees thronged the grand road, witnessing the sacred return journey of the sibling deities. The Supreme Court directed the Centre and NTA to submit affidavits detailing reforms after the NIT UG paper leak. The bench stressed institutional measures over ad hoc steps, saying it will monitor progress regularly to safeguard students' academic interests. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said culprits in the NIT paper leak have been arrested. He emphasized the government's responsibility to ensure students do not lose an academic year, calling paper leaks painful for lakhs of students and parents. The Union Cabinet approved the Bhavya Rasayan scheme to establish 3 dedicated chemical parks with Rs 3,030 crore investment. The initiative aims to boost industrial growth and strengthen India's chemical sector through infrastructure and policy support. The Jammu-Srinagar National Highway remained closed for the 3rd consecutive day due to landslides, shooting stones and road erosion caused by incessant rain. The closure has disrupted connectivity between Kashmir and the rest of the country. Indian Railways has launched a pilot project using AI camera stain detection in laundries at Pune, Jaipur and Jodhpur divisions. The technology will monitor linen quality, ensuring passengers in AC classes receive clean and hygienic bedding. SCL Tech Sarvam and the Odisha government signed an MOU to set up the first AI data center at the upcoming Odisha Sovereign AI Park. The project, worth Rs 14,257 crore, will strengthen India's AI infrastructure. Brent crude prices surged past $100 a barrel for the first time since May. The spike followed US strikes on Iran and Houthi attacks on Red Sea oil tankers, raising fears over global energy supplies. President Draupadi Murmu urged stronger economic and investment ties between India and Romania. Addressing the India-Romania Business Forum, she said Romania's EU integration and skilled workforce make it a valuable partner and gateway to European markets. The 23rd Commonwealth Games began in Glasgow with a colourful ceremony. King Charles III declared the Games open. India's contingent, led by Mirabai Chanu and Lavlina Borgohain, marched proudly into the arena waving miniature tricolours.